Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey, what's up, my gingerbread and jelly bean? It's nice to have you guys again. Welcome back, it's Mark. No, I've been upset. I'm going to admit, I've been upset for the past few days, and that's the reason why I didn't put out that video, because I never wanted to put all that negative energy into the vlog when I'm doing this, because I focus on the positive things that's going on around me. But you know, I have to keep it real, and whenever I'm feeling down or out, I don't want to put that negative energy into the vlog. You know, I don't want to do that. So, and I just never feel like making a video. But now I do. I know I'm feeling a bit better. And one of the reasons I want to say this, because people on a whole, the way you treat them, they don't treat you. And a lot of people are not tolerant. A lot of people don't understand that you have to deal with people on their level. You have to understand that people need help, and you have to come down a little bit, you know, come off your high horse. Not because you're in a better position than the person mean you're going to treat them any and any way. You need to be more understanding and come down a little bit and understand that people need help, and when they ask for the help, you have to be there for them. So not because your circumstances is much better than theirs, you're going to treat them any and any way. So it's Black History Month, and I also want to say Happy Black History Month to everybody that celebrates it. One of the issues that I'm having with the Black History Month is that a lot of people are on social media arguing with each other, and you always see them in the shade room, especially the shade room, because I do I do follow the shade room. You see them arguing about, a lot of them say that people from the Caribbean are not African, and that really gets under my skin, because I'm saying to myself, how can you, didn't you go to school? Did the teacher skip you in class? She don't teach you, or the teacher don't teach you, so you learned anything? You didn't learn anything in high school, in primary school, whatever it is. It seems like you don't learn anything about history and where black people came from, where people on a whole came from. People in the Caribbean here are of African descent. Our bloodline is African, or we are African, Jamaican, African, Belize, African, Barbadian, whatever you want to call it. Our bloodline is from Africa, right? During the slave trade, when they took slaves and they dropped them off in the Caribbean and they dropped them off around the world and in America. Is what I'm saying. So a lot of us are mixed. I think I'm mixed as well. The last name Plunkett is Irish. And based on all the information that I've received, my great grandfather is from Ireland, Mr. Plunkett. I don't know his first name. I have to do some research on it and stuff like that. They have the Plunkett Castle in Ireland, and I think England as well. So the Plunkett name is big. That's where they originate from. They come together and they make, you know, my great grandma and grandma and stuff like that. So that's how I come about. My country, Jamaica, I don't know what's going on down there. People killing off the females. It's really sad, because I have sisters, and it really worries me that these men can actually just go out and just keep killing females. They're killing little girls, they're killing little children, they're killing old lady. You know, they're just going around like they're targeting females, and I can't understand why. My thing is that when they kill off all of the females, what are they gonna do? No for no sex man, no for no run go. What are they gonna do? No gay or something? When they kill off all of the women, look how woman precious. Man supposed to protect women. You're supposed to protect women. You and the woman attack, you're gonna kill the woman. The woman wanna leave you, you're try to cut her throat. You kidnap the little girl, them, and stab them up and kill them. Somebody cheat on her and all them something. And I'm saying, why all this happen? Why? If somebody want to leave you, why not make the lady leave? The lady says she'll leave, she don't feel safe, she'll go leave, and then you're going to try to kill her. Ladies, I've said it in my videos before, we don't have to take it up on our own and defend on yourself. You see that uno are them, because them are going to kill you. So now have to find ways to defend on yourself, get pepper spray, invest in pepper sprays. That can help. Yeah, somebody can't see for stab you. That's very good. They spray the pepper spray and them hide them can't see for stab you. I don't condone violence, but sometimes you have to fight fire with fire and defend yourself. Honestly. Because if these men are going to go around and stab females, if you have a pepper spray in and you can spray it in my eye and blind him and run off, go get help, yeah, you can save your life. You see what I'm saying? So find ways to protect yourself, ladies. Also, you have a lot of female that take man money and use men, and the men turn around and kill them and abuse them and stuff like that. Females, I implore you to be more independent. Stop leeching on men. Stop begging man money and using them and no one them. A lot of man can't take it and them turn and abuse you. You need to really stop that. Alright? And the next thing that really bother me too is these parents that neglect their children. A lot of these parents neglect their children, and the children go out on the street hustling, trying to make money, trying to eat food, because by all right, if your parents not gonna take care of you, you have to try to fend for yourself. And a lot of people go out there on the street and hustle, and they're abused. Men abuse them, and the big man them take out the little boy them and offer them money and sex them off. You understand? A lot of these men are homosexuals, and they're raping and abusing the little boy them. So you see the little boy them start wearing all type of expensive and fancy clothes, and you ask yourself, where these little boys get these clothes from? Because of their circumstance, they have to go out of their way to fend for themselves, and a lot of them are abused and tricked into believing that they're getting help and the men rape them. You see what I'm saying? So I blame the parents. The parents are not being responsible. They're careless. They're careless. They're not being responsible, and it really hurt me to see that really happening. And the females, the same thing with the females. Females are being raped and abused. They're looking for love from older men. The older man abuse them. You see what I'm saying? So there's so much that I need to address and talk about. It's just, I can't even cover it in this one blog. But my advice is that if you're young and you can't get help from your mother, seek relatives. Go to the relative, go to the police, go to the authority. See if you can get some help from there, instead of going out on the street and letting people abuse you. Seek help from the government or agencies that will look after you. You see what I'm saying? The men them wall out. Little boy them wanna wall out. No need for run down the fashion and the hype and make man sex on the bottom for them things there. You understand? If you want to go downtown and hustle and buy things and them things there, you do that and sell. When you make the man touch on the bottom and them little thing there and rape on off and them thing they mash up on the ego. You're not a man no more. You're just some little skettle now. You understand? But I'm just going to end it right there. I just want to get that off of my mind. I know it's a lot of rambling, but I hope you guys understand and really see what I'm saying. Stay safe. Females, my biggest thing is the females and protecting themselves. Get the pepper spray, as I say, protect yourself, and just try your best to stay safe. You know? Just try your best to stay safe. One love, people. JVLOGS. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys around. I'm out.